Hello and good evening to my viewers. It is your servant Pius speaking to you on immigration and residency in Portugal. Portugal has a very unique approach to residency for Schengen visa holders. Portugal, unlike other EU countries, may grant residency to persons who enter Portugal with a Schengen visa. Upon entering Portugal, these are the steps that one must follow in order to be legal or to get a residence permit. First, once you enter Portugal with a Schengen visa, you are supposed to register with the immigration department called SEF to get an entry permit or an entry stamp. And once you enter, you have the time frame of 72 hours of entry to get that done or make an appointment for that. If you are unable to do that, it means that you have breached their law and that you are going to pay a fine, which is not something so big. So once that is done, you go to the finance department to get a special unique number which is called NIF or Número de Contribuinte in Portuguese, or in English, Fiscal Number. And this number can be obtained by going to any district of the finance department in Portugal for a fiscal number. You must go to the office with a person who is living in Portugal, that's to prove an address for your residence. Once you enter Portugal, you should have a place of temporary residence. So the person will be as a guarantor, or he is going to guarantee to them that indeed you are living with him or you are living in this address. So with that, they are going to give you that number. So once that number is given, you are good to contact any employer for a job. And in Portugal, every employer is capable of giving you a contract once you have the number and a visa. The employer might require other address, but it is not very necessary as you already have a proven address on the form given to you by the finance authority. So once you get a contract in Portugal, you are able to contribute to the social security system. Thus, with a contract, your employer is supposed to apply on your behalf a social security number. And in Portugal, once you reside in Portugal for 6 months and you pay social security, you are entitled to apply for residency. So it's a very good news for us as an immigrant. So to be certain that your employer is paying your tax or discount, you can either visit any social security office to ask for an extract of your tax. It is called in Portuguese extrato. Once you get that, you're going to get details of how much you've been paid so far. And once you are certain that you have been paying your discount, my brother, you are good to go. So once you get this done, you are supposed to register on the immigration portal, that is SEF, for an appointment to make a manifestation of interest. That is the interest showing that you want to live in Portugal. And they are going to ask a few documents which you need to submit before the residency could be granted. So with this, in my next video, I am going to talk about the document which is needed for one to be able to gain Portugal residency. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, subscribe, to my channel for more updates on what process and document that is going to be needed for you to get residency in Portugal. Thank you.